Today we're going to be making some carne asada, which is super easy. We're going to take some grass-fed flank steak, season that with some onions, some garlic, fresh cilantro, some oregano, some cumin, some lime, olive oil. Make sure you add a good amount of kosher salt and black pepper. We're going to mix that together until it's well combined, and you want to let it marinate for at least 20 to 30 minutes. We're now going to place the steak on a really hot grill. Now I like those perfect grill marks, so I'm gonna go ahead and rotate it. Otherwise, leave it alone and let it grill for about 7 minutes, or depending on how well you like your steak cooked. We're then going to flip it over, and let's not forget about those onions that we used to marinate the steak as well. We're gonna grill those until they're perfectly charred. We're now going to take the steak, place it down, let it rest for a couple of minutes, and we want to cut it against the grain. Now feel free to enjoy this with your favorite meal, whether you want to make some tacos or have it with some rice and beans. And you can find the full recipe on my YouTube channel and website.